Without further ado, let's get right to it. To install Claude 3.5 Sonnet computer use, you have to go to the Anthropic website. I linked it down below, so you don't have to go look for it. And from there, you have to go to this link right here that says today and on the API. And from here, it says computer use is in beta, so fair warning. And of course, it's going to have like some unique, vulnerabilities and concerns because it's AI controlling your computer. And you go down here to the computer use reference implementation. And then from the computer use reference implementation, you go to GitHub and it'll tell you kind of just the steps. Also has like some cautions there that so just some warnings right there. But to start, you need to do first is install Docker. And you need to go to the Docker website, and then you can download Docker for whatever computer you have. I have Windows, so I'm gonna download Windows. And from there, you need to go and get the API key from Anthropic console. And once I have the link down below, once you go there, you're going to make up enterprise account for you to do this. You'll step through it. And then from there, you log in all your information, and then you'll go to get API key. And when you get API key, you can go ahead and create your own API key to be able to use Docker. And in order to use Docker, you have to get this key that's generated once you make your own private key. You have to then go back and update the install, like the configuration file for Docker to run and load the computer use onto your system. So it's this code right here. You're gonna replace this line right here in order to do that. Then you will paste in your own key from the Anthropic API keys section, and then from there you go to Docker, click on the terminal button, and then you'll paste this inside of the terminal, and then you just let it run. And then after you let it run, you should get a localhost. So all you have to do is click localhost 8080, and bam, there you go. You now have Claude 3.5 Sonnet computer use on your computer to use as your own personal AI agent, which I think is pretty cool. Some side notes to think about is just that it's very restricted in what it can do. Like, I try to kind of do some out of the box thinking to try to see what it can do, and basically it's really tight on security. It's not letting you do too much, as well as if it's too many steps, it will kind of like, I wouldn't say break down on you, but it will kind of tell you like, hey, you're doing too much, we can't complete this process right now, which isn't a problem. Also, there is some caution that you may need to know about for using Claude computer use. One is that you should be using a dedicated virtual machine, which is why you're using Docker, so that it will not have like access to like your own personal system, and you will be avoiding like attacks to your personal system. Also, you should not provide this computer use like access to your own personal data or like passwords or anything, because you just don't want that like mixed into this API and then out there in the wild. Also, they said it should limit internet use, so only have like preferred websites. Don't start doing anything too sketchy. Also, the last thing they said is make sure like humans confirming actions. Like, you just don't want an AI just going rogue and kind of just doing too much. You come back and now your whole social security is on like the dark web, and you have like no money in your bank account. Nobody wants that. With that being said, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.